Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper, along with the Wildflower Celebrations stamp set, which can be found in the online scrapbooking brochure. And we're going to also be using the birthday celebration stamp set along with the exposed brick embossing folder. Okay, so before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzz-worthy business of the day. So first, we have our Daisy Daydream paper pumpkin kit. It's going to make 9 cards, and Lost Lagoon is going to be the stamping spot. And this kit is going to come with an additional free stamp set, okay? We have our Spring is in the Air add-on dies for $12 that coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our host code. This is a code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Speaking of freebies, we have Celebration going on. Celebration is a time of the year when you purchase products and it equals a qualifying amount, you get to choose free items out of our celebration brochure. Also, when you order or you collect orders and it reaches $300, you're going to get extra $30 in Stampin' Rewards, okay? And the best part is we have a join special. When you purchase the starter kit, it's $99 plus tax, and you get to choose $125 worth of product. During celebration, we have 2 bonus offers, so extras to put in your kit. The first one is an exclusive stamp set with 2 sets of Stampin' Right markers in the 2 color families of your choice. And if you don't want that option, you can choose to add $30 more to your starter kit. So instead of $125 worth of product, you'll get $155, okay? Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 each for these boxes. Shipping is included in that price. However, during celebration, I have a promotion going on. When you spend $100 in product and you use my current host code, I'm going to send you one of these boxes for free. However, if your order is $150 or more, you don't have to use the host code, and I'll still send you your mystery box for free, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's get started on our card here. So first thing we're going to do is some embossing. I have a strip here of some peach pie that is 1 3/4 by 5 1/2, and we're going to emboss this using that exposed brick embossing folder. So let's get that out. And we're going to put this into our folder. Just like this, just like this. Yes. And get our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And this is a 3D folder, I do believe. Is it? Yes, it's a 3D, so we only need plates 1 and 4. And we're just going to run that through. Okay, so now we have that done. Look at that. You can put that to the side. We're going to adhere this to our card base of Pool Party. That is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. Let me get my bone folder here. We're going to burnish that score line down, and we're going to add this across our cardstock here. Let me see. Where's my glue? You know what? I think I want to do some stamping on this first. So I didn't plan on this, but I think I want to do it. So I'm going to get some Pool Party ink, and I need to get a block because I'm changing something up here. I'm going to get this little banner stamp. And some scrap paper, just in case I go over the edge here. And we're gonna stamp this tone on tone in the background. I think I need to do it up here a little bit. because this is going to be going across. So let's do one more layer. Oh, that one I didn't get too well, did I? Let's see if we can line that back up. Then we're going to do it here at the bottom. Oh, goodness gracious, Shauna, what are you doing? Oh, I didn't get ink on it. That's what it was. Oh, man. Let's see. Go right there. Now go here. That should be good. I'm not happy with that part. Let's see. If I turn this inside out, that will still be showing. So I guess it doesn't matter. We'll just have to deal with it. That's what I get for improvising, right? So let's go ahead and add this. No, I don't want it down. Ay, ay, ay. Who told me to improvise? I'm gonna put that on there just like this. Okay. Give that some drying time. We're gonna get our basic white here. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and we're gonna do some stamping on this. So the first thing we're gonna stamp is in Blueberry Bushel, and we're gonna say happy. I'll put happy, and then day. I'm gonna put the day kind of down far. And also in Blueberry Bushel, we're gonna stamp Let's Party, but we're gonna stamp that on some Designer Series paper here. This is 1 inch by 3.5 inches. It's one of the cut aparts from this Designer Series paper. And we're gonna put Let's Party right in there. That's it for the Blueberry Bushel. And then we're gonna stamp in Peach Pie on the inside, and we're gonna stamp the word cake. Happy Cake Day. I'm just gonna put that right there, like that. That is all of our stamping done. So we can move all of that out the way. Now I have went ahead and cut out with some scissors 2 pieces of cake, not pieces, but 2 cakes from the Designer Series paper. And we're gonna use this to embellish the inside of our card. So I have one in Peach Pie and one in Pool Party. We're just gonna put these on our card. And then I'm going to get some Stampin' Seal so that we can add this to a piece of Peach Pie that is 5 by 3 3/4. And this is going to be the inside of our card. So we can go ahead and glue that on the inside. Just like that. And I see I have a little bit of overhang from my Peach Pie here on the outside. So we're just going to trim that up. Okay, just like that. So then I have 4 more pieces of Designer Series paper. These are all cut aparts from one of the sheets of the Designer Series paper that comes in this pack. And we're going to add these on. And I think I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal to add it on, because the Stampin' Seal allows me to move things better if I need to rearrange what I've done. So I'm just gonna put some adhesive on the back of all of my pieces. Okay, And the first one I want to put on is this one. I'm gonna kind of slant it over. Then we're gonna do this one. About right there. Then we'll have this one going about there. And then this one about like that. And we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals to pop up our sentiment. I'm gonna use 4 because this is a long piece. We're gonna place this right here in the middle. Just like that. And then we're gonna add some bling with our party dots. And we're gonna use Pool Party. I'm gonna put one here. And one right there. But then I wanna use Peach Pie. I wanna put one there. One here. Then I want to use some of the Pretty in Pink. I think we're just going to use one of those. So where would I put that one? Pretty in Pink. Let's get a big one, since we're only using one of them. And let's bring something down here. About right there. Just like that. That is it. All except for this little mess up. I think it's a pretty good card. Don't you think? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.